Yes, good morning ma'am sir. So meron tayong guest today ulit. Another day, another tour. Ano natin sila ma'am kung taga saan? Ma'am, taga saan kayo ma'am?
Pangasinan!
Bagyo! Yo, Pangasinan. Shout out nyo dyan, shout out.
Shout out kay Kuya!
Yun. So, island hopping tayo ma'am sir.
Shout out sa
Yan yung bangka natin. Yan yung bangka. Alright. Let's go! Sheesh!
2 hours later.
So yun guys, ma'am sir, interviewin natin yung guests kung kamusta yung lunch nila. Kumustahin natin. Sir, kamusta yung lunch dyan?
The best sir, the best!
Ma'am, kamusta yung lunch?
Palagi na kaming pupunta dito.
Yeah. Sulit. Ayos. Sir, kayo dyan, kamusta yung lunch nyo? Ayos. Si ma'am oh. Ma'am, kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Ayun. Enjoy your lunch ma'am sir. Kain sila guys. Sheesh. Alright ma'am sir, that's it for today's video. Bye bye.